Today, you are going to learn some animation basics in order for you to fully understand other animation concepts in Flash 8. The basic knowledge that you need to learn is to manipulate the document properties of a Flash document. The document properties are general specifications that affect your entire project. The first thing you should do when you start a new project in Macromedia Flash 8 is to set these properties, which include things such as the stage dimensions, frame rate, and background color. This exercise will show you how to set them. We do this first by opening your Macromedia Flash. Since we are creating a new document or new Flash document, we have to click on the first option found on the center of the screen, which is Create New Flash Document. Upon clicking on it, the next screen that we'll see is the Flash 8 environment. And let's create a new file and save it as movie.fla in any of your hard drive locations. So how do we save? So we click on file, then save, or control S. So let's just save it on the desktop with the file name movie.fla, and let's save it. So the property inspector should be visible near the bottom of the document window, so this part. If it is not visible, choose Window, then go to Properties, and you have that option, Properties, or the shortcut key is Control F3. By default, the stage dimension will be 500 by 400 pixels. The movie will have a white background, and the frame rate will be 12 frames per second. And you'll learn how to change each of the settings in the steps that will follow. In the property inspector, set the frame rate to 22 frames per second. So it's 22. This sets the frame rate of your movie to 22 frames per second or 22 FPS. In other words, for every 22 frames in your animation, 1 second of time will elapse. In the property inspector, click the background color box, so this area here. This will display the default color palette. Select a light blue color, so any color of your choice as long as it is light blue. There you go. This will change the background color of your movie to light blue. With the property inspector still open, click on the size button, this particular button here. This will open the document properties dialog box, which contains all the frame rate preferences, movie dimensions, background color, and rule measurements that you can set for your entire movie. Okay. In the document properties dialog box, for the dimension settings, enter a width of 700 pixels by 250 pixels. So this refers to the height, 350 pixels. Click the ruler units to see the drop-down menu. This menu contains several different methods for displaying the ruler units on your stage. Make sure you leave this option set to the default of pixels. Click OK. Alright. Notice that the values in the property inspector, the dimensions, background color, and frame rate are changed to your new specifications. So the size, background, and the frame rate. So when you are finished, save the changes you made to this file. However, don't close it just yet. You will need it for the next exercise. Okay, before we go on to the to our next activity, which is creating a frame-by-frame animation. So when you create a new movie by default, so let's just open this one. you will get a stage that is 550 by 400 pixels with a white background. So this size might not be all the convenient way you are working on projects that should have different settings. But there's good news. You can actually redefine the default settings so they better fit your needs. Simply change the document properties to match the settings on your document. You just need to click the make default button right here. Next time you create a new movie, it will already have all the properties you want. Okay, that's it.